Getting your first car is one of those moments you'll never forget. It's not just about transportation, it's freedom, independence, and, let's be real, bragging rights in the school parking lot. But with prices climbing, finding something cool, reliable, and under $5,000 can feel impossible. Don't worry, today we're counting down the top 10 affordable first cars under $5,000 for high school car enthusiasts. Let's dive in. Number 10. Chevy Cruze, first generation. The first-gen Cruze is the sleeper pick for budget buyers. It's modern enough to have Bluetooth and decent safety features, but cheap enough to find all day under $5,000. The 1.4-liter turbo is surprisingly zippy, and the ride feels refined compared to other compacts. Sure, it's not a track monster, but it's a smart, comfortable, and great-looking first car. Number 9. Toyota Celica GT, 7th generation. Now we're talking style. The 7th gen Celica looks like it should cost way more than it does. Its lightweight design and high-revving 1.8-liter engine make it a fun little coupe that's perfect for beginners who love sporty handling. Plus, it's a Toyota, reliable, easy to fix, and there's a ton of aftermarket support if you want to mod it. Number 8. Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS. Before the WRX took the spotlight, there was the 2.5 RS, a rally-inspired gem with classic Subaru styling. You get AWD for year-round grip, a punchy 2.5-liter boxer engine, and that old-school Subaru rumble everyone loves. It's also one of the few affordable ways to get that rally car vibe without breaking the bank. Number 7. VW Jetta MK6. If you're into something European with a clean design, the MK6 Jetta is your car. Under $5,000, you'll mostly find the 2.5-liter inline-5 versions. Not the fastest, but reliable and smooth. The interior feels more premium than most cars in this price range, and it's perfect if you want something that looks classy but doesn't cost a fortune to maintain. Number 6. Mitsubishi Eclipse 2G. The second generation Eclipse was every 2000s kid's dream car, thanks to Fast and Furious. With its aggressive lines and fun handling, it's still one of the best entry-level sports coupes you can buy cheap. The non-turbo models are perfect for beginners, while still giving that tuner look that screams car enthusiast. Number 5. Ford Mustang New Edge. You can't have a first car list without mentioning a Mustang. The New Edge generation, 1999 to 2004, gives you classic muscle style and a real rear-wheel drive experience for around $5,000. The V6 models are ideal for younger drivers, enough power to have fun, but not so much that you'll end up in a ditch. It's also easy to upgrade when you're ready. Number 4. Subaru Forester, first generation. Think of it as a wagon that decided to hit the gym. The first-gen Forester is surprisingly fun to drive, practical for school or weekend trips, and has that iconic Subaru AWD. It's basically a lifted Impreza with more cargo space, great for snowboarders, mountain bikers, or anyone who wants an adventure-ready first car. Number 3. Honda Civic EG. The EG Civic is a legend. Lightweight, endlessly customizable, and bulletproof reliable. Whether you want to keep it stock for daily driving or turn it into a project build, this car has it all. Gas mileage, excellent. Community support, massive. Cool factor, off the charts for under $5,000. Number 2. Chevy Corvette C4. Yes, a Corvette under $5,000, and it's real. The C4 isn't the most refined sports car, but it's raw, loud, and pure American fun. You'll get heads turning every time you start it up. Parts are surprisingly affordable, and if you can find a decent one, it's the ultimate first car flex. Just be prepared for insurance costs and attention everywhere you go. Number 1. Acura TL, 3rd generation. At number 1, we've got the 3rd gen Acura TL. This car nails the balance between luxury and performance. You get a 3.2-liter V6, a smooth shifting automatic or manual, and a premium interior that still feels modern. It's quick, comfortable, and built like a tank. For high school drivers who want to look mature without spending big, this is it. So there you have it, 10 awesome first cars you can actually afford, even on a student budget. Each one brings something different to the table, whether it's reliability, performance, or style. Which one would you pick as your first ride? Drop your answer in the comments, and if we missed a great cheap car, let us know. And hey, if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more car content every week. We've got more lists, builds, and tips coming your way, so stay tuned.